How to make more money fast. This is the Pablo Henrique channel. Like and subscription is not requested, it is conquered. We're going to be talking about how to make more money fast. This is Krish Krohn and it's headed your way right now. How do you make more money faster? Well, I'm going to first start by sharing with you the fastest way to start making more money faster. I'm going to share it with you, but I want to start by sharing with you something that I learned from one of my very first mentors. This man, his name was John, and I had met him now probably 14 years ago, and I wanted to invest in real estate. Side topic. Because I want to make a lot of money real fast, and John was teaching you this principle. He said, well Chris, first of all you have to know what your options are, and he gave me 3. He said the first thing that you could do is you could develop a widget, something small that gets made in a factory, and you make $1 on each one of them, and you got to sell 1 million of them if you want to make $1 million. And sounds like a lot of work, right? And I got a belief that says that making money shouldn't have to be hard or difficult. So they said, okay Chris, here's option number 2. Says instead of widgets, which is slow, it's a lot of work, how about you sell cars? Let me make $2,000 on selling a car. Then how many cars do you need to sell to get to $1 million? Well, or a whole lot less than 1 million widgets. But Chris, what if you could sell something and make $100,000, like real estate for example? And even though this video is not on real estate investing, that's just one of the side things I do. He said, if I buy a house and I make $100,000 on it, it is the largest commodity in America that the Americans shave access to in this country, and so if you deal in the largest commodity, that's where you'll make the most money. If I make 100,000 on a home, then how many homes do I need to do to get to 1 million? 1, 2, 3, 400,000, 500,000, 900,000, million. I can handle 10 versus thousands. I can handle 10 versus 1 million. I at least can count to 10. And even though we're not here to talk about real estate, there's a principle at work here that I want to talk about. If you want to make more money faster, what you need is leverage. That's what you need in your life. Making a lot of money quickly means that you've got to enter a new realm of money making, which includes leverage. Here's what leverage means in the world of money. When you have a day job, whether you're making $10 an hour or $100 an hour, you can calculate how much you make by the number of hours that you work, and that sucks. I don't want to be worth $100 an hour, $10 an hour, $500 an hour. Why? Because I want to live in my world where I don't have to always trade time for money. I want to be better than the leverage is this idea that you can be in more places right now just where you are in this moment. How do I be in multiple places at the same time? Well, real estate is an example in my life. If I have 100 homes, which I do, then the 100 homes are all making money for me night and day. That's leverage. Here's a different leverage. I share with you some of my favorite and best ideas for how do you make the most money the fastest. Key terminology number 1 is leverage. If you want to make more money, stop focusing on the money and start asking, how do I multiply myself? How do I get more leverage? How do I be in many places at once? Okay, that's the right kind of question. Then number 2, entrepreneurship and leverage. For me, those are 2 foundational principles of how do I make a lot of money really quick. Next time going to share with you some of the very real and specific things that I do to make a lot of money very quickly. Now if you want to make money real fast, I'm going to share with you different ways of doing it. First, if you just need systems for making money, I'll tell you right now that real estate is one of those ways of doing that. If you buy a house, collecting a down payment and getting the cash flow on it, flipping a deal, these are all excellent ways to create some really quick cash. Now watch this video right here for you to learn how to make big money. Videos every day at 8 p.m. Watch this video right here. Thank you so much everyone for watching. My name is Pablo Henrique and I'll see you in the next video.